A major digital expansion. New customer platform. Promise made at the highest level. And somehow, risk management wasn't invited into the discussion. The CEO has already committed. The board expects delivery. The timeline is locked, but the strategy lacks risk alignment. No impact analysis. No risk appetite mapping. No validation of capability against ambition. And now, the responsibility lands on you. 3 paths exist. One protects the enterprise. Do you assess the risk first? Do you escalate to the CEO? Or do you rebuild the strategy on your own? Millions are committed. Expectations are set. But governance hasn't been done. CRISC teaches that decisions require clarity, and clarity begins with assessment. Why option A is the right first step? B. Escalate to CEO too early. Escalate without facts is perceived as obstruction. Leadership needs clarity, not panic. Escalation without facts creates noise. C. Rebuild the strategy now premature. You cannot realign what you haven't assessed. Redesign requires visibility into risk exposure. Rebuilding without evidence creates misalignment. The right first step is a risk assessment. Option A, enterprise-wide risk assessment. Creates strategic clarity. Reveals capability gaps. Identifies misalignment to appetite. Enables informed revision of strategic objectives. CRISC teaches this. Strategy must be informed, not assumed. Strategy defines direction. Risk defines feasibility. Together, they define value. Risk appetite, capability, resource constraints all shape whether a strategy is deliverable. A strategy without risk input is merely ambition. A strategy with governance becomes leadership. CyberLex Learning. Excellence in governance begins where knowledge meets discernment.